Hi guys, today I'm gonna help you how to download and install JDK 17 and set Java path on your Windows. First I'm gonna check if I have Java on my computer or not, where I can be able to do Java programming code or not. So I'm writing Java C version, then enter. I don't have Java on my computer right now, so what I should do, I'm gonna do download and do installation of JDK and set Java path on my Windows. Yes, I'm writing on my browser download Java JDK 17. Click on the link. Then you have different options where you can select your operation system. I have Windows 64. Then I need to select this type of library, exe. Click on it. It's on way to download. Yes, the download is done. Then I go where I have download my library folder of JDK. Then double click on it. Yes, is allowing to do an installation of this application. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Yes, I'm click next. Then this will tell you where this installation will be direct. This will be direct on C programmer files Java JDK. Yes, if you want to change it, you can change it from here. I'm click next. Yes, we are in the right direction. Then close. I'm going to see where I have downloaded my JDK or Java. Then I need to use, right now we have the installation of JDK, but now I want to set Java path where can be able to write Java code and use libraries in Java for use to be able to do code. We have this is the direction of all the libraries in my JDK folder. Then I copy this link, then I go to control panel, then I go to system security, then click on system. That where how we set Java path, and we have environment variables. Then I go to path, then we say edit, set a new path. Then what I said in Java JDK, then click OK. I need to create also Java home path for my JDK folder. Then I'm writing in U, and it should be written in capital letter, all of them, Java _ home. Then I'm going to have that one, but in this folder no need for a bin. I'm writing the main, I have it already, or you could go there, and this is all the main installation. You could take a copy. Yes, I have the same here. Then OK. We say OK. Then OK. Now I have set the path. Then I need to be sure I have done it in the right way. To download and installation of JDK, and if I have done Java path in the right way. So I'm going to open my command window, then I'm writing Java C version, then I click enter. Now tell me I have Java version 17. This Java C is the compiler where we're going to be used when you write Java code. Great. I would say guys, thank you so much for watching, and you are ready to type in Java code.